Probably all three. Currently at Bayview and McBean, over by the Magna area industries. Just had a crash here happen.
Okay.
I'm not involved. Looks like one driver is okay, the other one, I'm not sure. Looks like a T-bone.
Alright, I'm gonna put you through to the ambulance. 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Ambulance, what is your emergency?
Hi there, I just witnessed a T-bone at Bayview and McBean over by Magna Industries.
Bayview and...
McBean. McBean. Bayview and McBean?
Yeah, I just have it here. Is that right in the middle of the intersection there?
Yeah. Appears to be a T-bone.
What's your phone number? Including code. Are you still there now?
Yeah, I'm actually headed to work now, like in the industry area.
Is the person awake?
One person seems to be awake. The other one, I'm not so sure. Seems like they're talking at the moment. Seems to be minor, but I'm not sure.
2 vehicles?
Yep, 2 vehicles. One appears to be walking around what seems to be the main person that hit the other car.
You know how old the person is?
The one that's walking around appears to be 25 to 30-ish. Seems like there's a supervisor of police that's pulling up now.
Alright, do you know if the vehicles are traveling 50 kilometers an hour or more?
I believe so. I'm not really sure. All I heard is the crash. It is on dash cam, which is one thing that I have.
Is anyone trapped or ejected?
No.
Is anyone drowsy or confused?
I'm not sure about the white car that's here.
Okay, what type of vehicles are they?
Chevy and a Toyota. Looks like Toyota Corolla, and the other one could be a Cruise. It's a 4-door.
Is anyone, where does the person appear to be injured?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Okay. Is anyone else injured?
I'm not sure about that.
Are there any hazards, fire, fuel, wires down, debris on the road, anything like that?
There are fluids on the ground. That's about it. I'm not sure if it's gas or if it's oil or if it's windshield fluid.
Alright, so approach the scene only if safe to do so. If the scene is safe, do not move the person unless they're in immediate danger. Only move them if it's safe for both you and them to do so. It is important to keep their movements to a minimum. If anyone is bleeding, apply direct pressure to the wound using a clean cloth or towel and hold until paramedics arrive. If safe to do so, make the person comfortable. Call back if their condition changes or you find out more information. Lots of help is on the way, sir.
Okay.
Sir, just stay on the line for a quick second, please. Hi, sir, you still there?
Yeah.
He's just gonna take over the call, okay?
Yeah, I've got an officer here, so.
Go ahead. Thanks, ambulance. Sir, I just need your first name, please. Cell phone?
That is correct.
And you witnessed this?
I have a dash cam footage of it. So yes, I heard the crash, looked in the rear view and seen the accident.
Perfect. Alright, thanks so much, Joe.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, sir. Bye-bye.